Is your productivity stopped because your scientific or mathematical software can't find the libquadmath-0.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before the technical guide for libquadmath-0, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the libquadmath-0, the GCC Quad-Precision Math library. It provides unmanaged routines for extremely high-precision numeric orchestration, facilitating the scientific manifest for data links. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The most consistent solution is to reinstall your scientific or mathematical software. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libquadmath-0 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. It is important to avoid manual installation of libquadmath-0.dll if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're addressing libquadmath-0 inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. If this fix repaired libquadmath-0 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.